Yan, yung lunch natin, madalian. Kundang, repolyo, sibuyas, tsaka bawang, tas corned beef. Yan lang, dali oh. Wala pang 5 minutes, tapos na. Igisa mo lang yung, igisa mo lang yung bawang at saka onions. Oh, tapos isabay mo na yung repolyo. Oh, tapos yan na. Tapos lagyan mo na ng corned beef. Tapos. So, ngayon, daming corned beef. Parang corned beef na sinahugan ng repolyo sa dami ng corned beef. O repolyong sinahugan ng corned beef. Hindi. It's a corned beef na sinahugan ng repolyo. Buti nga, hindi ko pa nilagay yung isa. Meron pa yung isa, oh. Dapat dalawa eh. Pero wala. Hindi na ginisang repolyo with corn. Ito magiging corned beef with repolyo. Ginisang corned beef with repolyo. With cabbage. Okay.